Your question.
Back to the regular program, man. Like I was sitting there with CEO Dino, man. We just want to know, like, cause it's like when you got all them hard head gangsta ass niggas, man, and briefing out. How do y'all stay like as one in the clique? Just keep coming back like y'all be coming back, man, with bangers, man.
Well, you know what I'm saying. Niggas been doing this shit all our lives. You know what I'm saying. PGS till we die. You know what I'm saying. We grew up under this hard head shit. So we know the type of niggas we dealing with, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna be hard head shit, niggas gonna get confrontation. Niggas gonna, you know what I'm saying, whoop-de-whoop. But when it all come down to it and time to put a movement to it, shit, right now, we're on the right track. You know what I'm saying? Can't nobody stop this train, you know what I'm talking about? This shit been going on for a minute, you know what I'm saying? Whether it's boat going, whether it's taking nigga shit, whether it's just letting niggas know. Niggas know where we come from, you know what I'm saying? Niggas know what it is when they
Yeah, well, which leads me to my next question. Like, y'all guys, like, really ain't got no music just out like everybody else, but y'all, like, known by a lot of dudes. Like, they really look up to y'all music and like what y'all niggas be saying when they do get a chance. So, I mean, how do y'all, like, maintain that type of mentality, like, to keep pushing and keep making hits like that?
Well, you know what I'm saying? This shit been underground. This what underground about. This what gutter down is about, nigga. So we saying we grimy, we gritty, we from the streets, you know what I'm saying? This ain't no fake shit. It's real shit. You know what I'm saying? Nigga been trying to grind, nigga. We staying on it. Niggas might not be seeing it, but we still on it. You know what I'm talking about? It's only a matter of time for you see what I'm saying? For this motherfucking squad rise to the top, you know what I'm saying? You can't be stopped. It is what it is. Niggas don't, yo, we ain't got this, we ain't got that. But bitch, we got thousands of motherfucking trash. Nigga, shit working. You know what I'm saying? Niggas working on movies, DVDs, you know what I'm saying? Just everything. Everything in the right movement, man. Just be tuning into it, man.
So being from Lubbock and everybody know the hot artist, Thug P. What was the situation with, you know, the Gutter Dime deal with Thug P? I mean, she ain't got an ad with y'all yet, and she doing this with her. I mean, what is the scoop on that?
Well, you know, the scoop on that is, you know what I'm saying, that's family. You know what I'm saying? Above all. You know what I'm saying? So we down. Right now, we in the worst, you know what I'm saying, with some shit with Thug P. You know what I'm saying? She touch in on this, touch in on that. Everything gonna be great with that, but Thug P know what it is. CEO Dino, Thug P. You know what I'm saying? We got that in the works. That's gonna happen. Fuck what the haters saying. That shit gonna happen. You know what I'm saying? That's coming soon. Be on the lookout for that.
Okay, for the future now, y'all know everything getting back straight. Waterhole Gutter Dime, you know the buzz out there. Everybody know y'all boys, you know, got that real Gutter Dime music type movement type shit going on. You know, and you know what I'm saying. What's for the future, the whole man? What y'all looking at for the future, man?
Well, you know what I'm saying. On the future tip, we got a lot of shit going on. You know what I'm saying? Shit steady coming. We got some mixtapes we finna drop. We finna hit y'all niggas with about 4 or 5 mixtapes. Then we got some albums finna drop, you know what I'm saying? Fucking with that nigga Chef Dog on some shit on that SOE shit.
Yeah.
No Waterhole Gutter Dime, got some mixtapes finna drop. Finna drop that motherfucking gutter mix, you know what I'm saying? Drop about 3 or 4 of them hoes. That shit coming, you know what I'm saying? All that shit in work. Niggas think we ain't working. Bitch, we working. That shit coming, nigga, don't stop that. All the way from H-Town to L-Town, you know what I'm talking about?